I do this. I can actually show you an example of where I do this, and it's bad to do that.
This sounds a little bit like, I mean, I've got, and I say this is the POC level, but I've got like APIs running like as, you know, under the Python container.
Yes.
In screening sessions, like a background for everyone.
Yes, yes. Yeah, no, 100%. And you would need something so a lot of the solutions out there, what they do is they have this platform that allows you to see what's going on, but on the VMs themselves, a lot of them use Nginx as the reverse proxy into the web-facing applications. So if your Python exposes an endpoint that an HTTP call can be made, you would reverse proxy it. And a lot of it seems like the standard is Nginx for that. It is fairly robust and lightweight, and it's very easy to configure.
It is. I've been looking at HA proxy because it's slightly more feature rich and not spend any money. Nginx is like quite rich, but like you don't get health checking until you pull out a credit card.
Yeah. Yes.
What I'm actually enjoying though, and I'm not sure if you can also carry on to the next session.
Yep.
Like how last session we did the intro to Kubernetes.
Yes.
And then I actually went back and actually put up like almost what Lance did.
Yes.
And then now coming in and looking at the perspective of Visual Studio.
Yes.
Because last week I just used Nginx and I just used a container that I got anyway.
Yes.
And then now looking at it this way, I now know how to add it onto my actual own application.
Yes.
As a developer.
Yes.
What would be cool though is now I've got Docker running, I've got Kubernetes.
Yes.
So I'm running really good. I'd like to see like how do I debug further, because I had troubles with my container, my images running the containers in a Kubernetes really good like classic
Yes.
thing, and I just didn't know how to debug that.
Oh, okay. So to actually reach into the running container and see what's digging around there.
From
Okay.
a Unicode perspective all the way back down, I just, that was
Okay.
cool.
I'll take a note, maybe on the next session with the guys from Launcher, I'll do some investigation. And there's one that I use, Portainer. It doesn't work so nicely on Windows though, purely because of Hyper-V. But on Linux containers, on Linux hosts, Portainer works very well. And it allows you to execute commands directly into running containers from a GUI interface. And then it exposes the log files and the system files directly onto the GUI interface. So it's very, if you want to quickly see what's going on, it's a nice little GUI that allows you to see that kind of thing. So I'll find something for the next session. Anything else? No? Hey, sure.
I just wanted to compliment you. Like, I like the way that you break it down in every line you go through, and you say like, it's very cool. Thank you.
Thanks. Cool. That's all I have to say today. So thanks for coming. I'll walk out. If everyone wants to go now, I'll be by the doors so that you guys can the cards and whatnot. I don't know if there's still donuts left. If there's a T-shirt that still fits you, you want to go. I do have more swag coming, so I promise swag, and it is coming. So each time I'm trying to get people to give us some swag, and just say thank you to making the time to come out to us.
Thank you for doing
Cool,
it.
thanks. We are recording, so your questions and stuff like that is recorded, and there's a YouTube channel. I'll send it out on the notes. So please like the channel so I can give a proper DNS to it. Sure, thanks. Cool. Yo.
Sorry, just a quick one. Sorry, the person who mentioned the struggling with Kubernetes,
Yes?
have we spoken before?
It's your stalker.
Okay. Perhaps we can chat again and see if we can get some info for you, because I know you can target a single container inside a pod, so we'll just do it that way. And we can have a look and see what's going on.
Cool, thanks, Lance.
Cool. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Good one.
Cool. Thanks a lot.